A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but vibrators are a girl's best friend. A partner is great, but they won't always get you to that oh god place, or help you find your face. Love is great, but it's a fact. Sometimes they don't know where your G-spot is. It's true and sad. Whether big or black or small or fast, these cocks always will ask. Vibrators are a girl's best friend. There may come a time when your love's out of town. Vibrators are a girl's best friend. Oh yeah, right there. There may come a time when he's had just a little bit too much to drink. Whiskey-D, it's a thing, and you are very horny. It's always hard, no BJ needed. Just one click and you're ready to go. Let your